Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Eclat. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She entered the room with great clat, commanding the attention of everyone present. Clat, in this context, refers to the dazzling display of confidence, style, and charisma that the person exhibited upon entering, attracting admiration and attention. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.